Welcome to Section 1, AI-Powered Affiliate Marketing, a New Era. The world of affiliate marketing is changing. AI is here. AI is changing how we connect with customers. It's revolutionizing how we optimize campaigns. Think of AI as your super smart marketing assistant. It analyzes data at lightning speed. It spots patterns humans often miss. This helps you understand your audience better. You can tailor your strategies for maximum impact. AI isn't about replacing human marketers. It's about empowering them. AI takes care of the heavy lifting. This frees you to focus on strategy and creativity. The result? More effective campaigns and higher affiliate earnings. Moving on to Section 2, AI's data crunching prowess. AI thrives on data. The more data you feed it, the smarter it becomes. In affiliate marketing, data is gold. AI analyzes this data to reveal hidden insights about your audience. Imagine you're promoting a new fitness tracker. AI can analyze which demographics are most likely to buy it. It can identify the platforms where your target audience hangs out. This helps you focus your efforts where they matter most. But AI's data skills go beyond demographics. It can track which affiliate links are performing best. It can even analyze customer reviews and social media sentiment. This gives you a 360-degree view of your audience and how they interact with your campaigns. Lastly, Section 3, crafting high-converting landing pages with AI. Your landing page is your digital storefront. It's the first impression you make on potential customers. AI can help you create landing pages that convert like crazy. How? By using A/B testing on steroids. AI can test different headlines, images, and call-to-action buttons simultaneously. It analyzes the results in real time. Then it automatically optimizes the page for maximum conversions. AI can even personalize the landing page experience for each visitor. Imagine a visitor landing on your page after clicking on an affiliate link about running shoes. AI can automatically showcase content related to running shoes, increasing the chances of a conversion. Section 4. Picking the perfect affiliate partners with AI. Choosing the right affiliate partners is crucial. You want partners who align with your brand and resonate with your audience. AI can help you find those perfect matches. It analyzes vast amounts of data about potential partners, looking at their audience demographics, engagement rates, and overall brand image. This ensures you're partnering with influencers who can actually drive results. AI can also monitor the performance of your existing partners, identifying any drops in performance or potential red flags. This allows you to optimize your partnerships for maximum profitability. Section 5, AI, your secret weapon for affiliate success. The affiliate marketing landscape is evolving. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's a powerful tool you can use today to gain a competitive edge. By harnessing the power of AI, you can understand your audience deeper than ever before, create laser-focused campaigns that resonate, optimize your landing pages for maximum conversions, and choose the right affiliate partners to boost your reach. Embrace AI. It's your secret weapon for unlocking unprecedented success in the exciting world of affiliate marketing.